Okay, so we are going to understand trial balance. Followed by that, we will understand that how do we prepare a different version of trial balance when we will encounter with those transactions which have not been recorded in the journal. Okay, so it refers to the summarized form of account balances that is prepared after recording and posting of all financial transactions. Okay, so trial balance is the summarized form of account balances. Let's say suppose there is a business entity. Okay, so you transact with multiple number of suppliers, multiple number of customers, and multiple number of different types of entities to run your business. Now what happens when you may encounter that there are millions and millions of transactions are happening in your business. Now first of all you need to record those transactions. After that you will post them transaction like recording the transaction into the respective under the respective accounts. Okay, we will understand what is the actual meaning of posting. However, you can understand it is a detailed level summary of account balance. Okay, so after that we will have our trial balance. Okay, which gives a summarized form of account balances. Like trial balance is, I can show you a specimen of the same. Okay, trial balances is like particulars, or we can say account names, and there is a debit column, there is a credit column, and there is a name of account, any account, vendor, supplier, accounts payable, accounts receivable. So we have different types of balances of them, like to whom we have to pay and to from whom we have to receive. Okay, so this is the specimen of trial balance. At the end, the total of these debit credit column will be equal. Okay, this is the whole story about the trial balance. However, there is a also a anomaly in recording and posting of the transaction, that some of the transaction are left to be recorded, and followed by that some of the transactions and the same transaction will remain to be posted. Okay, it means, let's say suppose you have encountered with 10,000 transactions. Okay, but after preparing the main trial balance you encounter that 500 transactions were not recorded and posted, and that is why the trial balance we have is not correct. So after recording these 500 transactions, what trial balance we will have? We will have adjusted trial balance. Okay, let's say suppose there are no incomplete, or we can say there are no transactions which are left to be recorded, like there are no 500 transaction. Okay, then what happens? The same trial balance which have summarized form of account balances from 10,000 transaction will be used to prepare the balance sheet. Okay. Now, after reporting of these 500 transactions, we will have our adjusted trial balance, and that will be used to prepare the balance sheet, which is the last last financial statement in our accounting cycle. Okay. So the balance sheet is our last financial statement in our accounting cycle, and the adjusted trial balance will serve that purpose. Okay. In case any transaction is left to be recorded. Okay. So that matches with, so our current discussion and analysis arrives at that the choice B, which is preparation of balance sheet from the adjusted trial balance, is the main purpose that the adjusted trial balance serve. Okay. So that matches with choice B. That's all for our solution. Okay. Thank you.